Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull from the Bull's Garden. I was just outside working in my garden. It was cloudy. It was a little drizzle out. I knew it was going to rain eventually today because, I mean, it's been raining for 2 weeks straight. And like I said, you know, I usually, even if it's thundering out, as long as it's not pouring out or anything like that, I try to hang out there because I just love gardening in that type of weather. But not when it's raining hard. We just received back to back the most loudest thunder I've ever heard in my life. I mean, I've heard a lot of thunders during my days. This thunder that we just received shook me out of my wheelbarrow and everything. Shovel. I just took off running to the house. It is coming down like you say, cats and dogs. So I mean, it's nice to see, but I mean, it's a lot of rain. I hope, you know, it doesn't continue like this for too long. Here comes another one. To keep it here for a minute, see if we get a couple more. I'm glad I finished my chicken coop pretty much. All I got to do is paint it. So, you know, I don't have to worry about it getting all soaked up and whatnot. Who sent all this rain down this way? Was it you, Peanut Peppers? I know you be getting soaked up down there and stuff all the time. Did you send this rain down this way? Took me right out of my garden real quick. Dr. Ricky came right out of his boots. Ain't this a joke? 30 minutes later, sunny. Rain has passed through. But that's it for me. I'm in for this day. Have a nice day.